Bunny, and it's time for another episode of Terrifying or Try It. This will be our second episode of this series. You guys are gonna have to let me know if you like this one or not. In the last episode, I tested out micro needling face masks. Very horrifying, very exciting. This week we are going to be testing out something for the eyes, and I have seen this online a couple of times. I feel like I'm always bombarded with these very intriguing, sometimes very disturbing makeup tutorials on Instagram. It's clickbait. It's clickbait, and they get me every single time. They'll start out a makeup tutorial like showing some of the weirdest devices I've ever seen, like weirdest looking sponges, weirdest looking brushes, and I click on it every single time. And one of the devices that I saw is this thing called SPIN LASH, and I was able to find this on eBay, I believe from Germany. It says new. I don't know how new, because I have certainly never heard of this, except for on Instagram. Motorized mascara wand that spins. I don't know how quickly. It says gently rotates 360 degrees. They show like before and after of like very clumpy lashes, and then, you know, very natural, separated, perfect lashes. It does actually come with a tube of brownish black mascara, but they also say you can use this device with any current brand of mascara. Not 100% sure how that would work, because obviously all mascaras are not built equally. They're not all like the same universal size and shape packaging or something, so I have no idea how that's supposed to work. I believe I paid around $15 for this. I'm scared because it is like a spinning, rotating device. Very close to my special eyes, but I must admit I'm also very intrigued about this product because I believe it was either Lancome or Givenchy years ago. They had a vibrating mascara wand, and it was obviously much pricier than, you know, like other mascaras because there was the vibrating component, but I honestly really felt like it helped to separate and really comb through the lashes. I don't know, I'm a sucker for the weirdness. And I know I say this about a lot of stuff, okay, that it's like the devil's plaything, Satan's BFF, but really, blister packaging, who still does? It's 2019. Do we really need to be packaging things this way anymore? Oh my God. Benefit. I was like, ew, I need a razor to cut it open, and then I just saw it's a Benefit razor? Benefit. Props to you. When did you send me a razor, and why? Do you ever just find stuff in your house and you're like, ooh, what is this? Where did it come from? This is going to also be like a twofold testing adventure. Say that 5 times fast. Also, I found my wig. Look at this one. Ooh, oh my God. I look like one of those judges now. Do you know what I mean? Another thing that you guys have been messaging me to test out for like a first impression Friday or something is the Damn Girl, a brand new mascara from Too Faced, and I just so happen to have the PR. Look, it comes with a screen. Do you guys ever see PR like this? No, and you're not gonna see it now either. Anyway, look at this. Okay, I opened this PR package, and just imagine my shock and complete impressment when I thought this was the freaking component. Can you imagine if your mascara was actually this big? Like, I'm freaking living for this. If they made a mascara that was realistically this big, I would forever only use that product, because it's just, look at that. Look at that. Okay, wig off. Eyes on. This new mascara is supposed to be buildable, vegan, and it sounds very intriguing because it is a melting wax formula. Hashtag not spawns, but they did send me this and you guys have been asking me to try it, so why the heck not? 24-hour mascara, whipped, melted like a fresh new mascara every day. They say it resets itself, but how? There's supposed to be a fresh pop. They're asking me, can I handle it for the thick curled lashes? Okay, let's find out if I can handle it. I want to hear the pop now. Mascara ASMR. Doesn't all mascara sound like that? I know you're not supposed to do that. Oh my God, but I love doing that in junior high. Junior high bathroom moments, you know, chewing gum, and you go like that. You're just pumping all that bacteria. Fresh bacteria. Oh, are you guys having a good week so far? Let me know in the comments down below. I genuinely want to know. I read all of your comments, so feel free, tell Aunt Bunny how was your week going. This is their mascara, which looks kind of weird, right? What is this? I've never seen another thing like that in my life. What is this? Is this just like the lid? I thought that this was the mascara. It says mascara twist, but there's like nothing inside of it and I can't get it to twist. Like, I don't know what's going on here. I'm just in the freaking Twilight Zone. Oh gosh, dang it. Oh! It needs batteries. Of course it does. Okay, I will be right back. There's no mascara anywhere. This holds batteries. We just discovered this is an empty tube. What? Okay. Seemed pretty exciting to me because obviously there appears to be a multi-directional button. It's like you'd want to curl one way for your upper lashes and another way for your lower lashes. Pretty standard silicone mascara wand, but look at how lame this is. Okay, now it seems to be rotating a little bit faster. Okay, and it does work both ways now. Maybe it just looks faster on the camera. I don't know. It's kind of silly, I'll admit. But there we go, spinning. Spinning. So that is cool that it is multi-directional. I don't know why, literally when I first put the battery in and tested it, it wouldn't spin one of the ways. I don't know. Twice the volume, half the time. That's a thick little applicator wand there. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh. This is my first time ever using this Too Faced wax mascara. Wow, I really like this. I'm making sure I'm rotating it the right way. Okay, I kind of don't know if I should like have it rotating already or wait. There's no instructions. Oh, oh, you guys can't see what's happening. Oh. Oh, it feels so weird. It feels like roaches are crawling inside of my eyeball. Not like I would know what that feels like or anything, but ah! Oh, okay, definitely have it spinning. I'm just like giving you guys advice like as if any sane person would buy this for anything other than Instagram clickbait. I feel like I'm spinning it the wrong way. I don't know what's the right way. No, that's the wrong way. No way honestly makes sense. Oh, jeez, Lou. Oh, Saint Michael and all the angels singing in heaven. Oh, jeez. Can you guys see what the frickle pickle is happening? Literally, when you accidentally touch it to your inner waterline, oh, especially like towards the inner corner of your eye, it feels like a form of medieval torture. I feel like it combs these little suckers out. Woo! Ew. That feels so weird. I don't really like what it does to the bottom lashes. It really does a good job of separating and making your top lashes look really natural, but the bottom lashes, I feel like it just wiped all of the mascara off. I don't know why I struggle with this eye. This eye is just a struggle. Eyeshadow, fake lashes, anything. This side is always messier. The thing that I forgot to do on this side of my face is to show you guys what the mascara looks like before I put the brush on it. That way we can really evaluate if the product looks clumpy before and then, ooh, this brush really makes a difference. It makes the lashes look perfect. I still can't tell which way I'm technically supposed to be rotating. It just doesn't necessarily feel that good to have something motorized right next to your frickin' eyeball. Can we really tell that big of a difference? Does it look a lot less clumpy? Do we think it's worth the extra step? Final thoughts. Not nearly as terrifying as I thought it would be. Honestly, the rotation is quite slow. But then again, when it's like pretty up close to your eyes, that doesn't seem that slow. It does feel a little bit agitating to actually comb through the entire lash. You pretty much have to start at the base of your lash / waterline, whatever you want to call it. And I feel like when you really hit that inner waterline, the rotating brush is pretty irritating. The brush is a decently soft silicone. It reminds me of pretty much any drugstore mascara wand. Very flexible. I just do feel like the inner waterline of your eye has got to be like one of the most sensitive areas of your body. I mean, you pretty much like never touch it unless you're just applying mascara. And when you apply like traditional mascara, I feel like you kind of have more control to just like lightly go over that area once, but the spin brush kind of spins over that extremely sensitive area longer, I think, than a normal mascara wand would. Hopefully that entire sentence makes any sense whatsoever. Not really sure about the like half the time thing. I didn't really test that out, but I kind of think that it takes longer just because like you're spending more time with this gadget. Oh, don't do it when your lashes are dry, because then it really gets stuck and pulls. I have mixed feelings. I do love the fact that this is like a reusable spoolie brush. One of my favorite makeup brushes used to come from Dior, and it was a silicone spoolie brush. You can just use it over and over and over again. Normally, I do like to go in with a secondary spoolie brush after I apply mascara to just kind of sort the clumps out, and then like later to help me bond fake eyelashes and keep them curled. So normally I do just use little temporary spoolie brushes. So this is definitely like a lot better because you can just rinse this off and use it over and over again. So I think I will continue to get use out of this device, even if I don't actually use the spinning mechanism. I do feel like it is a little bit more gimmicky and obviously a little bit more pricey than these temporary throwaway spoolies. You guys are gonna have to let me know what y'all think. Leave me your comments, your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Do you think it's worth it? I will try and link you guys to this product. Like I said, I bought it a while ago on eBay, but if you just type in SPIN LASH, if I'm not able to find it, I'm sure that you'll be able to find it. If y'all have any suggestions of any like weird, terrifying beauty products that y'all would like for me to test out in this series, leave them as a comment suggestion down below. Thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!